beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Ninoshka and today I decided to do this look. This is the Foxy eyes look trend that's been going around and I really love how it turned out. I also did my hair up like this, like a half ponytail, like a half updo, just to pull a little bit from the sides and make my eyes a little bit more almond shape and elongated. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Starting off by using the Sigma and Beautybird palette, and I'm gonna start with the color Caramelito down here, and I'll be using this angled brush from Wet n Wild. So I have already primed my eyelids and I'm gonna draw like a wing with the shadow, and I'm gonna be drawing it like a bit upwards because the effect we're trying to do is the Foxy, like the Foxy eyes effect. So it's kind of like that. So I'm gonna draw a line like that and I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. And like I said, I'm just trying to create a winged liner, if you will. And I'm gonna take a smudge brush. This one's by Morphe. This is the M508. What I'm gonna be doing is smudging this out. Just so it doesn't look as harsh. And this is just a base color. I'm going to be applying a little bit of a darker browns just to intensify the look, but I'm not going to be using any black. Next, I'm going to be taking the colors or the color Tacos and Chill. Just going to go a little bit light-handed since this one is a darker color, and I'm not going to apply it as high as the Caramelito color. I'm still gonna bring it in a little bit. Again, I'm gonna go in with that smudge brush. And I'm gonna blend that out or smudge that out, just like so. Next, taking that same brush, the same palette, I'll be using the color Woof Woof, the darkest brown in the palette. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe M456 brush. It's a blending brush like this, and I'm gonna take the color Boo Boo. And I'm just gonna swipe that a little bit along my crease. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my brush this way to blend everything out, and it can stay under my crease and not blow it out like I normally do. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna intensify that wing with the color Woof Woof. Okay, beauty, so now I'm gonna take the Sigma E58 brush and I'm gonna take the color Frenchy, and I'm gonna be applying that right here and blending that a little bit upwards. Then I'm gonna spray my angle brush with some hydrating mist just to make it a little bit wet, and I'm gonna take the color Woof Woof again. I'm gonna be applying this very close to my lash line. just to connect it to the liner that we have going on. And the next thing that I'm gonna do, since I don't have a brown eyeliner, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try and do like the, I think it's like a Arabian type, you know, that they really accentuate their inner corner. So I'm just going little by little and applying the shadow. And with the tip of the brush, I'm just gonna be like flicking this out. Just a little bit, you don't have to do a lot. Okay, now that I have everything blended out, I'm gonna do my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, beauty, so I already did my foundation, my highlight, my contour. I'm gonna link a card up here how I do that. I have a video on that. I'm also gonna link it down below on the description box so you guys can go check it out. Now that we have all that done, I'm gonna take the Morphe M508 brush. I'm gonna take the colors Tacos and Chill and Woof Woof. I'm gonna mix those two together, and I'm just gonna apply them on the tip of the brush, just so I can be precise on where I'm gonna put them down here on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do like the outer part just to connect it to the winged liner we did up top. Just like so. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M456 brush, and I'm blending that out just so we don't have any harsh lines. And I'm just gonna leave it on my outer corner, like the outer third of my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. Now you guys, I got this at the dollar store and for $1, and it is really good. I really like it. So I'm just gonna clean up any excess because I don't want to mess up my look. I'm gonna coat my lashes with some mascara on my top and my bottom. Okay, so now that we're done with mascara, I'm gonna apply my lashes. So I would recommend you using like a flared out lash just to give you that almond shape, elongated eye look. Now I am gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use my favorite lip combo, which is the NYX Soft Spoken Lip Liner and the Revlon number 014 Shameless. Okay, now I'm gonna take the colors Libra and Gemini, which are the two on the opposite sides, and I'm gonna mix those and do my highlight. And I'm gonna set my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and this is in the scent Lemongrass. I really don't like the scent a lot, but I do love the formula. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That really helps my channel grow. And with that, my loves, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.